Welcome to Best Pick 2024 Top 5 Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Duro Max XP9000 IH9000 Watt 459 cc Dual Fuel Digital Inverter Hybrid Portable Generator, Blue. About this item: power on the go, with 9,000 peak watts and 7,600 running watts, this generator is perfect for emergency home power, job site use, or camping with your RV amperage, 71.26A. Dual fuel technology: this generator runs on gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Inverter technology provides clean, stable power for sensitive electronics including televisions and computers. Remote start: start the generator conveniently with the remote control. Automatic transfer switch ready, equipped with an ATS outlet making it easy to connect to a compatible automatic transfer switch. One of the largest digital inverters available on the market, the XP9000IH is excellent for emergency home backup or power on the job site. Use clean power to operate your television, laptops, and other sensitive electronics. This inverter comes with a digital control center so you can monitor power output, load level, and running hours at a glance. Double your power by connecting a second XP9000IH with a parallel kit, sold separately. Top 2. Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment 4500 peak watt Super Quiet Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator, Remote Electric Start, Gas and Propane Powered, RV Ready, Company Sensor, Parallel Capable. About this item: 4500 peak watts and 3700 rated watts at less than 3% THD, telescoping handle, gas or propane powered, remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Grounding system floating neutral, features a 5-20 or 120 volts duplex household outlet, an RV-ready TT30R30 amp outlet and 2 USB outlets, great choice for travel trailers or home use with automatic low oil and carbon monoxide, company, shutdown, strong enough to run all your essentials. LED data center, rotating digital display shows fuel level, power output, remaining run time, voltage output, and lifetime hours. Extremely quiet, extremely fuel efficient, as low as 52 dBA noise output and up to 18-hour run time on a 3.4-gallon gas tank, features economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory and may contain minimum residual oil and/or fuel odor. EPA and CARB compliant. Backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage and nationwide customer service network. Top 3. A-iPower Portable Inverter Generator, 7600W Dual Fuel Electric Start RV Ready, EPA and CARB compliant company sensor, with telescopic handle for backup home use, tailgating and camping, SUA 7600 IED. About this item: powerful engine, 322 cc's OHV high performance 4-cycle engine. This portable inverter generator has an engine that is fuel efficient, reliable, powerful, providing a long life and excellent heat dissipation, high output plus quiet, 7,600 starting watts with 6,100 running watts on gas and 6,900 starting watts with 5,500 running watts on propane. Sound level as low as 62 decibels. Pure power, 3% THD of clean power output. Inverter technology provides clean, stable source of power for sensitive electronics such as laptops, TVs, phone chargers and sensitive power tools. Multi-featured control panel, company sensor indicator light, LED light, data center display, 2x USB 5 volts DC, 1x 8.38 12 volts DC, 1XL 5-30R30A 120 volt AC, 1X duplex 5-20R20A 120 volt AC, 1XL 14-30R30A, 120 volt/240 volt. Low idle technology plus compact design, lightweight for easy transport and mobility with telescoping handle and flat free wheels. Extended runtime of 10 hours at 25% load with 3.6-gallon fuel tank. Fuel sense technology. This portable inverter generator automatically switches from propane to gasoline for a combined runtime of up to 21.2 hours at 25% load. Parallel equipped plus peace of mind, our portable inverter is parallel equipped. A-iPower stands behind its products and offers a 3-year warranty. Compliant to the latest standards, our portable inverter generator is EPA, PGMA and CARB certified and is equipped with a CO sensor with auto shutdown technology. Top 4. AIVOLT Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator 10,000 watts gas or propane powered home backup electric start inverter generator. About this item: plenty of power and high fuel efficiency. This whole house quiet inverter generator with 10,000 starting watts and 8,000 running watts, gasoline, 459 cc's 4-stroke OHV air-cooled 100% copper windings engine can effectively extend the life of your generator. With the Eco Switch, the fuel tank can run for more than 19 hours at 25% load, helping to save money on fuel costs and is perfect for RV, job site, storm or emergency power outages. Extremely quiet and safe for sensitive electronics. The ultra-quiet outdoor generator comes with 61 dBA noise at 23 feet, comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. The inverter technology produces clean and reliable power, less than 3% THD, safe for your sensitive electronics such as phones, game consoles, projectors, laptops, small power tools, and more. Dual fuel, remote start and automatic transfer switch ready. This dual fuel generator equipped with AIVOLT's exclusive fuel change technology makes you can change the fuels easily even while the generator is still running. The ATS outlet can easily connect the generator to your home's electrical system to provide sufficient power for the whole house. At the same time, the remote control allows you to conveniently start the generator at home to avoid extremely cold or hot weather. Multi-function control panel and 240V parallel capability. Comes with 4 120V28 GFCI outlets, one 120V/240V38 twist lock outlet, one 120V/240V50A industrial outlet, one 12V DC cigarette outlet with a dual USB adapter and one ATS outlet to meet different requirements. The LED display center displays fuel consumption, output, voltage, frequency, runtime and more. With a 240V parallel kit, you can simply connect two AIVOLT 10,000 watts inverter generators together to double your power. Parallel kit not included. CO Protect and low oil shutoff. This power inverter generator is equipped with CO Alert technology, which can help protect you and your family by automatically shutting down the generator if unsafe levels of carbon monoxide are detected. The low-fuel automatic shutdown combines with built-in overload protection and indicator lights to protect both your generator and your electronics from damage. Top 5. GENMAX Portable Inverter Generator, 9000W Super Quiet Dual Fuel Portable Engine with Parallel Capability, Remote Electric Start, ideal for home backup power. EPA compliant, GM9000 diode. About this item: dual fuel output, 458 cc's 4-stroke OHV engine produces 9,000 peak watts and 7,600 rated watts with 6.9-gallon fuel tank. Gas or propane powered, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. This generator is perfect for emergency home power, job site use or camping with your RV. Easy to carry and use? Strong steel handle and 2 rolling wheels for easy travel. 5-in-1 digital data center, hours, voltage, loading, gas fuel meter, frequency, remote start with key fob. Extremely quiet, extremely fuel efficient. As low as 62 dBA noise with 25% loading at 23 feet distance. Features LOW idle mode for maximum fuel efficiency. Code detect. Automatically turns off the generator when an unsafe level of carbon monoxide is detected. Parallel capability. Voltage transfer switch allows you parallel both 120V or 240V. Simply use parallel cord to connect 2 GM9000 iode inverters together to double your power to 18,000 peak watts and 15,200 running watts. Parallel kit sold separately. Remote electric start. Features a dependable push-button electric start system that makes starting and stopping the generator a breeze. The engine's choke operates automatically, making starting as simple as the single push of a button. Dual fuel technology. Gasoline and propane can conveniently be used interchangeably as a fuel source. An intuitive dial on the control panel allows for easy switching between fuel sources even when the generator is running. Easy to use. Strong steel handle and 2 rolling wheels for easy travel, as low as 62 dBA noise with 25% loading at 23 feet distance. Features LOW idle mode for maximum fuel efficiency. Available outlets. In this inverter included a 120/214 locking outlet, L14-30R. 4120V28 GFCI protected household outlets, 5-20R, and AA120/214 V50A locking outlet, L14-50R, with a dual USB adapter. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.